Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you how to set up a Carrera RC Mini Mario Kart. And this one here is the princess that I have. I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up. And they also come in with a Luigi and Toad. And not sure if they come with a Mario on the car, the little race car. But I have the princess. And I'm going to be showing you how to set it up. And this here is the remote, and it also has a cool clip on the back to clip on your pants. These are all of my materials that I have. Okay, so I'm going to just cut open the tape on the box so we can get started. I think I missed another piece of tape here. So once you have all the tape cut off, go ahead and pull that clear box off. Just like that. And there she is. There's the princess in her cool little pink race car. Okay. Now you're going to need a small screwdriver to take these little screws out on the back. Go ahead and take the car off. And there she is, the princess in her cool pink race car. And you're going to need to take this plastic piece off at the bottom. And then you're going to need to look in the back of the remote, and it has this a black little clip thing. You need to turn that, twist that to get the remote off. Okay, and there you go. There's your remote. Now you can take this piece of tape off in the front so you can be able to open that. That's a little case part for you to put your car in for storage for when it's not in use, so it can always stay with your remote, so that way you won't lose either or. And when you open this part, in here is all of your instructions. Go ahead and take those out, and you can read those. And you're just going to need to, on the case part, also on the back, you go ahead and open that, and that is going to be where your batteries are and your cable charger to charge your car, your USB. It's all in here in a little bag. Okay. I actually prefer to use new Energizer batteries, but you can also use the batteries that it came with. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to open this bag to show you. And here is your charger for your car and the batteries, AAA batteries. 2 AAA batteries it takes. And this is the cool remote here. And you can also store the car in the remote, like I previously said. So this here is your charger that you're going to use for your car. And you're going to need to charge it in your car. Okay, and it takes about 30 minutes to charge. Alright, and go ahead and plug in your charger and your adapter that fits, any size that fits. Okay, and you're going to need to charge your car at the bottom in this little hole. And before you're about to charge it, make sure this little switch is turned to off on the back of your car. Okay, and when you're driving your car, it can race and drive for at least up to 7 minutes, or sometimes a little longer, before you need to charge it again. Now you need to take this little screw off on the back of your remote, and that is actually going to be where your batteries are going to go. Okay, I got the battery compartment off and I put my batteries in, and you're going to go ahead and charge your car. Okay, and when she's not in use, you go ahead and put in this cool compartment which is built in on your remote, and these are the 2 switches to drive your car. And or you can also hook it on your pants, either or, which is pretty cool. So there you guys have it. There is my Princess Mario Kart, and thank you for watching my video.